Every skyscraper, bridge, and road begins with a simple stone destined to become cement. Every bag of cement begins deep within ancient limestone deposits.
Thousands of tons of limestone move toward the production process.
Powerful machines harvest the stone that forms cement's foundation.
The raw material advances through a carefully planned extraction system.
Precision drilling prepares the quarry for efficient material recovery. Every step follows strict controls before the next release of stone. A single blast unlocks thousands of tons of future cement. The fractured stone is now ready for collection. Heavy loaders gather the raw ingredients of cement.
The raw limestone begins its journey towards cement production.
The manufacturing process starts as raw stone enters the facility. Powerful crushers prepare the stone for transformation. Extreme heat creates the heart of modern cement. Fresh clinker must be cooled before the final grinding stage. Carefully stored clinker waits for its final transformation. Precision grinding creates the fine powder known as cement. Now complete, the cement begins its journey to construction sites.
From quarry stone to towering cities, cement builds the future.